That's a fire hazard. Have you put a fuljadi?
I need to see this cake.
Happy birthday, Thakur.
Happy
Thank
birthday.
Happy
you,
birthday.
thank you, boys. Thank you. As you can see, निकिता ने पूरा खर्चा किया है ऑलरेडी और सब लेके आई है. बलून बलून है घर पे, केक है. तो
Sweet. I mean,
of course, bro. Thoda,
sweet.
dude. And in such times, any little bit of excitement and hope and fun that you get, you sort of just grab onto it, right?
Yeah, correct.
No, and
Uh,
it's so much better to remember your birthday from those balloons rather than opening Facebook and seeing Varun
And seeing-
Thakur and 5 other people.
no, but obviously, now that we've addressed that, we actually wanted to address a different situation because we weren't particularly in the mood, in the right frame of mind to shoot a
Yeah,
podcast.
also, we just didn't want to do it.
No, that's not the thing. This is not, we didn't have a podcast idea, so we've decided to do this. This is actually coming from a conversation we all had today where, with everything that is going on outside, you somehow don't feel, uh, I don't know. I don't know the words to express it. Like last week, in fact, I mean, apart from the fact that I had COVID, just seeing what is happening around just has put me in this funk.
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
And
it's just a lot to take. Like it's just constantly, like things are just like all over the place. That's right.
no, and
Adar is not here with us right now
Yes.
because he has COVID and his symptoms
Yeah.
are a little advanced, and he
Yeah.
can't sit and talk for an hour. So
Yeah.
it's I mean, I remember when we had done one episode at the beginning of the lockdown, where
last year, March.
yeah,
that
around
was
this
a-
time,
Yeah.
and it was crazy because like you try to keep a brave face and you try to power through it, and things got bad and then they got better.
Correct.
And then we are here back again, and 2 out of the 4 of us have had COVID, and it's come
And we're back
closer.
here in a situation worse than we were last year.
much worse.
For sure. For
I
sure.
mean, our last episode in the studio was, I think, the one we shot was called Coronavirus. And if you go back and look at the stuff right now that we've probably spoken about, things are the same, if not, I mean, definitely worse than
Definitely
what
worse.
they were. So obviously, first up, we want to address any of you or your family members who've had COVID. I know this is a very tough time, but just hang in there. Know that people are all out there trying to do the best to help each other out, and it's easier said than done when it hits home. As someone who's had it, and touch wood, my symptoms were a whole lot milder than what I've heard other people have had to go through. So just know, just be strong. I mean, there isn't much else we can do apart from just be strong and positive, right? In this
Yeah.
time.
And also, I think the important thing is to be okay with, like I've said this enough. I've said this even on Instagram and stuff. I think it's okay to take a break. Like you shouldn't be feeling guilty about taking a break from. In like
Yeah.
in the case of like where everyone's talking about like amplify this. It's your duty to amplify it. It's okay if you want to switch off from Instagram for half a day. It's okay to switch off from social media for half a day and do something that you actually enjoy. uh, there is no guilt in that. There is no harm in that. I think it's important for your own mental well-being to not be constantly dragged into this cesspool of whatever. Like I mean, we were even thinking about कि क्या topic करेगा, dinosaurs करने का है कि क्या करने, and just nothing seemed right to do.
Yeah, and like I said earlier, this whole week has been like that, right? Where you get up and
Yeah, man.
you read or hear about everything that's going on, and you don't feel motivated enough. And I was doing this to myself, where I would get up and I just not be like, I would be stuck on Twitter or Instagram and looking at everything that's happening outside, go into this weird funk and just not be able to work. Like I haven't written a joke, I haven't worked on my show script, nothing. It's just been just sitting, and I was actually feeling, and I spoke to a lot of my friends about it as well, and they're also going through something similar, which is why I feel that all of us, every single person, us here, people watching this, people at home, friends, family, whatever, we're all going through different versions of essentially the same thing.
Yeah. I mean,
You
for
know,
me
you
to
go
power
into
through,
this, you go
sorry,
into this thing where you start feeling very, like, you know, you start judging yourself that, oh, you're not doing any work, you're not doing this, you know, you should be more productive. And I think over the course of the last few months, I've realized that sometimes it's okay to not. And it's
yeah.
okay also to not judge yourself for not doing something. It's absolutely fine if you just want to take a break and not do work. I mean, if you can afford to do that. A lot of
Dude,
people have work and calls and stuff every day that they have to do, you can't ignore. But I'm not saying tell your boss fuck off, I'm not going to talk to you and hang up. No, don't do
yeah, like
that.
especially if you're an ambulance driver or a healthcare worker, please
Yeah.
pick up the phone.
Yeah.
But the like I was on Twitter, dude, where you know, like we have these startup bros, right?
Hmm.
Like guys who've like started a startup and they have all these like things that they have. Dude, so many of them are still sharing productivity hacks, and it just seems so disconnected from reality,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Kyunki ठीक है, meaning there is like, you know, especially this happened during the first lockdown, where there was pressure, where people suddenly went like, oh, I have so much time in the world to now pursue something that I've always thought I wanted
But
to do but I didn't
Hmm.
have
then
time.
and
Hmm.
But
eventually made Dalgona.
yeah,
Yeah.
but the point is this is not a vacation,
It is not.
right?
And
People
it's
will.
certainly not a vacation because of the amount of just the inundation of horrific news that keeps hitting you in various walks of life. It's not just COVID. There's elections. There's things that are happening that are completely outlandish. There are things that are not processable. It's become
Bawa is basically talking about the European Super League, uh, which has also started.
it's so
Um,
it's just I think that it's I think like for me every day to wake up and sort of do calls, and the calls have also gotten like it's like I mean I've been a workaholic my whole life and things like that, but like in my own team and like it's not it's particularly harder to work this time around. It's becoming extremely difficult. Like weekends and stuff like that aren't seeming like weekends because
Correct.
people are just working through it. You're taking the load of somebody else who's unwell, or somebody else is not able to function, and you're not working on a or not working at 100%, and you're taking their load. I think it's important to like this one thing that I do every day, no matter what happens, is that I try to make sure that both my meals that I eat, the main ones, the lunch and the dinner, I try to make sure that I do it with doing something I enjoy. I consciously try to avoid taking work calls, and those could be of any type, even if like Varun and
I
Kautik call
still
me.
can't believe
Yeah,
Baba does
I
not
know.
take a call when his phone
Yeah,
rings.
yeah. So what I do is, no, I put my phone on D&D, and then I put my
then
phone
you
away, so
put
I don't
on
even
which episode of West Wing?
yeah. So
Where
it's
you say the
normally
dialogues before before Martin Sheen does.
so no, so it would have been West Wing, but I've been doing other things that I like. So I've been watching other things that I enjoy. Some of them repeats, some of them not so much. But
Hmm.
I've been doing this thing constantly where for an hour I don't take my call. I don't take any calls or whatever, and I try to prioritize that meal, because for me that's a moment that I genuinely enjoy with myself and stuff like that. So I try to do that no matter what happens, whether
You
it's a
enjoy
Saturday,
the
Sunday.
moment with yourself while you're eating.
Of course, because it's
That's
food,
quite.
dude.
I'm now that I have a weird image in my head
It's not
of
creepy, Thakur.
Baba eating and enjoying himself his private time.
Also, I currently don't even have a cold open, so I don't even know where I'm going to put. Oh god, oh god.
Yep. Yep.
Even now, when we were thinking, we were just like, कि क्या बात करेगा? मतलब क्या क्या
No,
क्या
because
क्या
there is obviously fatigue, right? There is fatigue of every kind imaginable right now.
Correct.
Not
Fatigue
just
you.
not yeah, fatigue है you fully. Not just COVID, bro. Zoom का fatigue है.
Yeah,
ठीक है,
man.
मेरे को पब्लिक बोल रहे हैं तेरा बर्थडे है कल, विल डू जूम कॉल ये वो. मैं बोला मेरे को एक और किसी ने जूम कॉल किया ना, ठीक है, मैं गोली मार देगा. मेरे से नहीं होगा अभी एक और एक जूम. Because just when you thought you were out of it, you're thrown back into that. It's almost like people
Yeah,
are getting PTSD of this time last year, right? Where
yeah.
but at least last year, because it was the first time, it was unprecedented. We had never felt something like that. So there was this your own innate way in which you were handling it. Because like, nay, I will do it, I will do this, I will do that,
Correct.
blah blah blah, whatever. You had that, it was wrong word maybe, but it had its novelty value, so to speak. when it's happening in 2021, it's not unprecedented anymore. We've lived through it, and
Yeah,
now it's come back.
yeah.
Even
It's
worse.
basically like summer, which we hated every year, and then
Yeah.
summer is coming, and you're like, "Arey yaar, summer फिर से आ गया." It's that.
No, you know
But
what I think of it, like the analogy I think of when I think of this is, it's like moving into a haunted house. You know, initially
I wouldn't
every
do it.
small thing frightens you,
Yeah.
and then eventually get used to it. Like, हाँ ये तो आता है, ये तो
Yeah,
इसका
by the
तो
end, by the
untimely death
10th
हुआ
time
था.
you've gone in, you slap the skeleton that just shows up like
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
Like,
yeah,
"Chal, hack."
yeah.
क्या time pass कर
And
रहे हैं?
but ironically, that's not the way that we should be living.
Yeah.
I was thinking about it, man, from my own perspective. Like, in our building, this time last year, uh, so we have like the vegetables and all come, and they're here for being distributed to the people, meaning you can buy it. So back then, this time last year, we had like these social distance circles, and everyone formed lines, and everyone was very patient about it, and everyone was like, this is how it should be done, and we must protect ourselves against corona. This time it's not there.
Hmm.
And it's like part of it is because like people never, like, as a country we've never been conditioned to follow rules like that.
Hmm.
We're always like thoda line todte hai, thoda semi circle banate hai, like we're that vibe in general, right?
Hmm.
So it was unnatural for us to do it, and now to bring it back, there is not enough fear. There's not enough, and it's very surprising to me because the number of cases that we are reporting right now is so much higher than
Yeah.
what it was.
I mean, what the hell is 271?
You're
I-
talking about
We've,
that.
we've
There
gone
is a
ahead of Brazil, and people are saying it's going to double up soon, and we're going to probably cross the
hit
US
5
as
lakhs.
well.
There's 5
Um,
lakhs a day projected in June. So that's what the
that's
peak is
that's
looking like.
that's scary. But a little on a little light-hearted note, we were talking about how we're so not conditioned to behave and follow rules like that. There's a video that's doing the rounds. I'm sure everybody's seen it. Ek India TV wala video hai,
हाँ
where a couple is out of the,
हाँ
they're in their car actually, and they
हाँ
get stopped by the cops. कि तुम गाड़ी में जा रहे हो, एक तो किधर जा रहे हो, कर्फ्यू है, और दूसरा मास्क क्यों नहीं पहना है? So
yeah
this woman loses her top and she's
yeah
like, yeah, and blue, blah, 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 fucking, it's going after this. तुम ऐसे हो, तुम भिख मंगे हो, तुम पुलिस वाले ऐसे. Firstly, if you are one of those idiots, who's decided to just hop into their car and go for a drive for no real reason, you're a fucking idiot. And police should definitely fucking catch you and throw you in jail for that day, just so that you realize how important it is to stay the fuck home, right? And this woman goes crazy, yells at the yells at the guy. Eventually cops have a certain threshold, okay? So they're like, screw this, they call it in. And the way it's cut, firstly it has a full 3-part structure, okay? Beginning है, middle है, end है. तेरा beginning वाला पूरा setup हो गया
by
है,
the way
escalation हो गया है, and bro, there's a cut point, okay? Then when the cops are like, अभी हम आपको दिखा दे ऐसे रहने, तो देखो पुलिस का फ्रीक्वेंसी वो रेडियो पे बात करे वैसा आवाज आ रहा है, और नेक्स्ट कट टू this man has been taken to the police station. दो पांडु उसका हाथ पकड़ के खड़े, and they are obviously parading him in front of India Today, whatever, India TV reporter, okay? And then the guy is asking कि आपको पता है कि अभी कर्फ्यू लगा है, केसेस इतने बढ़ रहे हैं, और फिर भी आप बाहर निकल रहे घर से, आपको इसके बारे में क्या करना है? और ऐसे हालत में पुलिस वाले जो आपकी रखवाली कर रहे हैं उनको भिकमंगा बोलना क्या ये सही था? तो दिस गाय just throws his wife under the bus. He's like, वो मैंने नहीं बोला, वो उसने बोला. मैं उसको बोल रहा था कि नहीं चलते, लेकिन वो मेरी बात ही नहीं सुनती, सीधा ब्लेम बीवी पर डाल रहा है. Dude, it is so funny. Like in a whole day of seeing such sad, depressing news about people uh, just desperate cries for help. This was that one bit where I actually laughed. I
you know Thakur,
genuinely laughed.
तू बोल रहा था ना, it's got a 3 act structure and everything. It is so perfect that it has been ended at a point where there could be a sequel.
Yeah.
I haven't seen
ये
this
पूरा
video, so I have no
बनेगा.
idea what you're talking about.
We'll put it in the description.
Well,
Also, I
Yeah,
think
some things.
one of the reasons, like let's thoda like अपना ही ढिंडोरा पीटते हैं, but not necessarily ढिंडोरा. I think one of the reasons why we sort of actually did get ourselves to still do it and say that okay, we won't necessarily make light of the situation or do a topic that may be frivolous or whatever, is because like a lot of people always say like Tuesdays are important to people, and it you all help us get through it and stuff like that. So it just sort of like
I mean,
felt
it's
like
as important for us. You know what I
Yes,
mean?
it
Like
is.
it's cathartic for us also to sit, come here, sit, talk, even if you are, because it's that 1.5 hour in the week that we
Yeah.
know we are giving time.
Yeah.
But it also helps. I feel like I've done some work today. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? So it's as important for us as it is for you guys
By
to
the
watch.
way, you know
and
this
and I think
thing.
that was one of the reasons why we were like, nahi yaar. I think it's important because like people have said that it's like important and it's important to them, it makes them feel good. So we're not going to stop doing this. That's definitely not going to happen. But we just today ऐसा topic करने के मजा नहीं आने वाला था. That's the reason
No,
why we're
yeah,
just
man. Like
rambling.
like especially this like in this space where we are right now, like with this, it just doesn't like it's like we could have done another weird animal facts part 2 or something like that, but it didn't.
Part two
We've
तो
had
नहीं
two people.
करेंगे.
Part 2 nahi karenge. Sorry, I went too far. My apologies. But two of us have gotten COVID, and we understand that like it's difficult even everywhere else, including I'm pretty sure, and a lot of people who are watching this, dude. In the show I did yesterday, a girl said that she tagged me in a story and said that I got my report back today and I'm
Report.
positive, and so it's crazy how many people are. I'm pretty sure there's people who are watching this right now who are positive, and we just want you to know that um, before we, I'm sure like this is going to be a very long pandemic. It's not going to get over soon. It's going to be a long thing. This second wave is still rising, and we don't know when it's going to end. So we're going to be here. We're going to be doing stuff, but before all of that, we just want to acknowledge the situation, and we just want to talk about what we are going through. And
Yeah, and you know, as somebody who's been through it, earlier I didn't have as much context, right? Because you've only heard stories
Yeah.
of your friends or family or whoever going through it, but when you feel it yourself, it's very different. So I just want to address. I mean, I hope nobody
what was your
here
experience
watching.
like?
Exactly. So that's the thing where Monday night, I remember last to last Monday when we shot the podcast in the evening, I had just showered and come. My hair was wet and the AC was on, and we did the podcast. And at the end of it, मेरा सर दर्द करने लग गया थोड़ा. So first thing I'm assuming, अरे I've just showered, my hair is wet, AC के नीचे बैठा है तो सर पकड़ लिया. So let it be. Chilled, went in. Nikita and I were watching some show or the other. 2 बजा. फिर suddenly in the body I can feel it getting periodically warm. And I'm like, yeah, ajeeb hai, because, and for her also it was very different because she's like, listen, we've been together for 5 years, and in these 5 years I'd never had a fever. She said, I've never seen you get a fever. चल cough हुआ है, सर्दी
पेट
हुआ है, ये
खराब
वो.
हुआ है.
पेट
पेट
तो
खराब
खराब
हुआ
ही
है,
रहता है पूरा
बैटरी
टाइम.
बंद है,
हाँ,
बैटरी खत्म हो गया है, गला खराब है. अरे
यूजुअल
वाह, मैं नहीं बात कर सकता प्लीज.
यूजुअल वरुण शेट
हाँ.
हुआ है, लेकिन मेरे को बुखार नहीं हुआ है.
हाँ.
और ये टाइम मुझे भी रियलाइज हो कि हाँ यार, मुझे बहुत सालों से बुखार नहीं हुआ है, तो सडनली क्या है, रात को गर्म होने लग गया. डूड, द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग, आई एम नॉट किडिंग, आई वोक अप बिकॉज आई वाज डाइंग ऑफ स्वेट while the AC is on, but I'm sweating profusely and my head is hurting and I've touched my body or garam hai. I'm like 100%. And the thing is, I'm lucky enough to be staying with my fiance. What if there are so many
Yeah.
other people who are living alone, and
Yeah.
living alone without having COVID is bad enough. Imagine what it is or what it becomes if you actually go. So firstly, I
Because
definitely
if you
know
have
there's
it and you're alone, no one's coming home.
no one's
Like,
coming home. And God
Yeah.
forbid you have one of the higher severe symptoms, you can't do anything. And
Yeah.
I was out of commission probably for like 2-3 days, and I had Nikita whose symptoms were much milder because she got it for a second time, which also happens, guys. So please, just because you've had it once, don't go ham and be like, yeah, मेरे को तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. नहीं, I've heard one too many cases of people getting it again, albeit she got it 7 months later, but you never know. So please be careful. Again, so I was
You know
talking
this
about
is
the
a different
anxiety,
kind
right?
of podcast because Varun has said albeit in a conversation.
No,
Yeah.
it's not the first time I've used all.
I'm sure it is the first time you've used it on TIS.
Okay.
No,
मेरे
no,
पास
so,
Kindle है.
no, so you know something. The thing is, it's such a crazy thing. Thakur has different sets of vocabularies that he can access when he's in different modes.
Modes, हाँ.
So when he's in comedian mode, it's a different set of vocabulary. When he's in host mode, it's different. When he's slightly serious, Thakur, Dude, he can do that. You know that भाई और बहनों वो वाला hosting क्या बाप करता है, but he can only access it if you is like a robot. Like Westworld का robot रहता ना, उसको अच्छे से
चलो
program
दोस्तों, तो मैं
हाँ।
आपको ये कह रहा था कि जब भी आपकी बॉडी गर्म होगी आपको होगी बहुत सारी एंजाइटी, ठीक है, फटने लगती है, बिकॉज सडनली फर्स्ट चीज होता है कोविड, तो अज्यूम करके चलो कि है आपको कोविड, सारे चीजें करना, डू एवरीथिंग यू पॉसिबली कैन इफ यू वर टू हैव कोविड, जस्ट अज्यूम फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट, राइट, बिकॉज that helps you be more prepared. I know one thing's gonna happen the minute you get that positive report, you're gonna get deflated कि shit मेरे को कोविड, because automatically you're like 14 days isolation, अभी BMC ने 17 days कर दिया, 17 दिन मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Here's the thing, I don't know मेरे 14 दिन कहाँ गए, 15 days कहाँ गए. मेरा अभी तक नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट आया नहीं है, बट टचवुड सिम्टम्स सारे ऑलमोस्ट चले गए. I don't have any of the symptoms anymore. But so first is anxiety will happen. Don't get too alarmed or scared, because usually what has happened and I've seen with people is उनको पहले 2 दिन पे हुआ है, but once they started the medication, right, it's come in control for a lot of people. So until and unless, don't firstly start self medicating. Preemptive medication मत करो, जो भी कर रहे हो डॉक्टर से पूछ के करो. I know people who've done preemptive medication also, just assuming कि नहीं मेरे को कोविड है तो मैं Fabiflu ले लेता. Don't do that. Okay. And those days are going to pass by in no time. There are times during when you have COVID, you are going to feel fresh and energetic suddenly one day, right? Do not fall into that trap. Because मैं बीच में feel हो गया ये, तो मैं एकदम अरे चल बात करते ये करते, extra excited, wasn't resting enough, boom, immediately at night I went down again. So it is a very unpredictable a virus, and I pretty much I think had the new strain, which for me COVID has been more diarrhea than anything else, right? So it's like getting COVID and eating chicken chopper rice. मेरे लिए दोनों same रहा है, but बहुत दूसरे लोगों के लिए अलग है, because they've had lung problem, breathing problem, you know, whole lot of things.
and
So,
both of them were Chinese also, so
yeah, correct. वो तो common है. Other than that, yeah, I mean, there isn't much else we can do, because Nikita and I weren't going anywhere to get it. Nobody we've met tested positive. So हम लोग को घर पे बैठ के हुआ है कहाँ से पता नहीं. So it can literally happen from anywhere. So please keep your guard up at all times.
dude, you know something, the thing that surprised me, and I think we were talking about this, and I think it surprised everyone, is the fact that how did the cases go down in the first place? It made no sense, because we had a lockdown when the cases were 500. Then the lockdown opened up and the cases kept rising. Then the country opened up and then the cases went down.
कुछ भी चल रहा है. कुछ भी चल रहा है. Till 2 weeks ago we were barely anything. 3 weeks ago, actually, sorry, 2 weeks तो मेरे को हुआ है. चल last month पकड़, ठीक है. It wasn't anywhere. You were just hearing कि अरे थोड़ा बढ़ रहा है वापस. You know, like when it goes from 500 to 50,000, you don't realize. It's just suddenly one day.
At 8,000 cases, we were like बहुत हो रहा है. And you're today.
Bro, मेरे को याद है जब ये अपना चालू हुआ था 4 केस थे, वो भी एक लोखंडवाला में, एक किधर उधर, आजू बाजू पब्लिक पागल, और 4 केस शिट कर रहे. अभी तेरे घर पे हो रहा है, तेरे बाजू वाले को हो रहा है, तेरे बिल्डिंग में हो रहा है, तो पब्लिक चिलीज
नहीं. और पब्लिक को, and I think that the fact is that there is this whole like narrative and argument. There's 2 narratives and arguments. Because of my age group, I know both sides of the story that are coming on WhatsApp. One age group, one whole narrative is to say that everyone is fed up, abhi. We have to go out and we have to live our lives. What the fuck does this mean? I think that's a stupid thing. For people who are daily wagers, for people who need the money on an everyday basis, for them you can understand. If you have even the slightest opportunity to stay at home, work from home, be at home, get things delivered home, please take advantage of that. And the other narrative which just baffles me entirely is like, look, ये virus है, ये अगर होना है तो हो जाएगा, सबको होने वाला है, तो let it just happen, come and go. You can't stop the universe. I think that is another uninformed and a very very
no, and the thing is, dude, अगर
stupid opinion.
No, but even if you do that कि अरे सबको होने वाला है, ठीक है, होगा चल सबको, but do you know how severe actually gets?
Yeah,
You
exactly.
know,
Yeah,
it's
and
not everybody is lucky to just get it and like, हाँ कुछ नहीं, मेरे को थोड़ा सर्दी
no,
हुआ,
no,
थोड़ा गर्म हुआ, चले गए, नहीं, right? So
dude,
do
you
not
know
have
what
that.
this is? I'll tell you what this is like. This thing that people are saying ना कि होएगा तो ठीक है जाने दो. You are feeling that way right now because you're really not thinking of all the dimensions that this thing can take.
Correct.
Okay, it's not just you falling sick. If someone you love falls sick
That's
right
the
now,
worst part.
we are way past whatever our healthcare system was designed to accommodate. Okay, our healthcare
Way
system was
past.
stretched when we didn't have a pandemic. With a pandemic and 270,000 cases a day, it's beyond stretched. There
Yeah.
is a fight for every single medical equipment, bed, oxygen facility, healthcare worker. Everyone is done.
Yeah.
It is a nightmare zombie apocalypse if any one of your loved ones or you fall sick. So avoid that. It's that it's a myopic, lazy way of thinking where you sometimes where you go like, you know what, I want to watch this Netflix, so मैं थोड़ा लेट सोएगा और कुछ नहीं होएगा मेरे को. But then you wake up the next morning and it sucks and your day gets ruined, right? That's what
Kautuk
you
speaking
can.
from personal experience. कल
Yeah,
मैं
man.
4 बजे तक बैठ के कुछ देखा था.
You think these dark circles have come on their own? No, but that's exactly what it feels like, dude. It just you will regret it. It's not something that you should be taking seriously, not seriously. Like
Yeah.
the thing that I was thinking about was,
Also, it's irresponsible. I mean, the thing is already stretched. Why are you adding to what it is? I think
bro,
that the pressure that
there are people who are living with the guilt of them getting COVID, passing it on to somebody, and that person dying, and these guys
yeah,
surviving. That is fucking.
yeah,
It's
and that's what and I think that it's irresponsible. Like when you talk about getting pressured and not being. I don't think that if you don't amplify two posts or whatever it is it's going to affect your.
No, and
That
that's
fine.
you know,
That's
don't be
okay to
hard
do.
on yourself, right?
Exactly.
Like there is people are all sorts of, like, oh, can I put a, picture of me in Goa on the beach, or is it too, I mean, you want to do it, right? Like you can't really say, okay, this is acceptable behavior. That is, at the end of the day, everybody is looking out for themselves, right? Your own mental sanity and happiness is of paramount importance. Yes, don't go around rubbing it in other people's faces. There's that argument, right, that when the whole world is suffering, don't go out, do this, don't put that, because
No,
do you feel those things
no.
as well?
I
I
do.
think here's another thing. Okay, I think that I think this privilege remorse is genuinely something that is being forced on you. Is
Yeah.
being forced. I think that if somebody is living their life, I think if you want to go on a vacation, go, but make sure that you are taking all the precautions
Yeah.
that you need to take, which which involves trying to make sure that you can drive as much as you can,
Correct.
more than try and taking a flight, because there are people who need to take a flight for emergency reasons. If you are taking a flight because your vacation requires you to take 10 days off and take a flight, double mask. Make sure that you never take off your mask once you enter your home airport and then your destination airport. Do not
You
take off
have
your
to be
mask.
mindful of everybody, right? It's
And
not
Yeah.
everybody is going through the pandemic, and different people are going through it and suffering through it through various degrees. So if you are one of the lucky few privileged ones who can afford to just take a flight and go for a holiday, do it. Don't have that remorse, oh, people are dying, I won't take it. No, you, if you can and you have the money to be able to do it, right? But
And
just
no
take
one should stop
precautions,
you.
and no,
Yeah,
nobody
just
should
make
stop
sure
you.
that you and just take precautions. And
Like,
this whole privilege remorse that is being forced upon you. If you think that you need to get off Instagram for 2 days, just fucking do it. There is no problem. If you feel that you don't want to, you want to post happy pictures and throwback pictures about how
don't
you
have
are,
that
or
guilt, because
yeah, don't
everybody's
have
feeling
guilt
it.
at all. Just
but
it's totally okay.
something, the person who really needed to hear it was me, because I'll tell you something. Like, so I've been doing Zoom shows again, like that. I thought that was like the country was opening up, we were allowed to do a bunch of shows, so I thought, okay, now that's in the past, let's come back with a vengeance. So I was doing Zoom shows, and it was so bizarre because um, just 3-4 days ago, Prashasti had put up this story I don't know if you guys
Yeah.
read it.
Yeah.
About how her mom contracted COVID and how difficult it was for her to just get basic medical facilities for her mother. So I shared that post on my stories, right? And then I had to share a link for my show. And it was little weird, right? Because that's what social media is like, right? Like one post is about like oxygen nahi hai, beds nahi hai, jagah nahi hai, healthcare worker nahi hai. And then the next post is dosto mera ticket bhi nahi hai, like jaldi kharido,
And
like
I used to live through this, and then I had a conversation again with I think that the way to sort of uh, the way to uh, I don't even think it's a justification that's needed. I think that it's pretty much like this is your personal, this is your feed, this is your thing. You're doing what you can do, and to the level that you can do, to the level that your mental health allows you to do it, to the level that you feel like doing it. There is absolutely no harm that you do not have to suffer with the other person. There is a difference between empathy and suffering along. Like, you don't have to take the burden of the other person. They're already going through it. And when you have to go through the burden, or when you go through that pain, there are going to be people who empathize with you, and that will make you feel just a little bit better. The solidarity of it all. They are never going to be able to solve your problem, just like you're not going to be able to solve their problem, because you're not able to. You're not. But that doesn't mean that you can't watch a movie. That doesn't mean you can't eat an ice cream. That doesn't mean you can't live your life.
yeah, no.
But just
And
make
Baba,
sure
remember,
that you
like,
live it in an you just make sure that you are safe, and that you're not doing anything to make it inconvenient. Don't be that India TV person and go on a drive and start insulting cops. Just, I mean, that's
No,
just
or
dumb.
don't even like go to the extent and be a Pooja Bedi who is happily holidaying in Goa and then putting out stuff like, hey, I'm done being scared and enough of masking. And, if you were to die tomorrow, what would you feel you have done in this whole last year? I think that's highly irresponsible of someone. I mean, I don't know if people are getting
With influence,
influenced by
yeah.
what Pooja Bedi is saying, but Sanjay Lal Sharma chose the right girl.
Correct.
JJW's reference.
JJW.
But but the thing is that don't be irresponsible like that. Even if you are going out, do something as basic as put on a mask. You want to go share your holiday, it's absolutely fine, but do everything keeping in mind all the precautions that you need to take.
Yeah.
dude, something like जो last
I
show
mean,
था,
it's basic
बाबा और
decency.
मैं साथ में थे, and we were doing so we do this Q&A at the end of the thing, dude, and you can always tell when the virus is at its worst and the lockdowns are back and everything, because the things that people talk to you about changes, right? Like the shows we were doing when the things were getting better, the questions like the things that people used to ask us was like, hey, I have a problem with my boyfriend, what do I do? Hey, I have a problem with my girlfriend, what do I do? And yesterday's show there was a question which said, hi, I am really lonely, how do I overcome this? And you can tell these things, and I think like that's one of the things that's like at least helped me that to rationalize this whole thing. Even for example this podcast, right? I often think about this thing, which is that what we do, right? As we are entertainers, we're artists, we're stand-up comedians, right? The thing, what do we contribute to society? It's not essential to life, right? अगर ये podcast बंद हो गया, it's not as important as the oxygen cylinders running out of oxygen.
Oh, 100%.
But at the same time, what we do adds flavor to life, right?
It's not
And-
just that.
it can bring
helps a
happiness
doctor.
or a smile to somebody's
Fuck
face,
that,
you know.
guys.
Exactly.
We've had these messages where doctors have said during my lunch break, I watched this show.
Exactly,
Doctors
exactly.
in COVID wards.
Also, doctor से याद आया वापस, thank you to all you healthcare workers and doctors and every single person who's at the front lines, because I don't think we can say it enough. Just when you thought that they finally had some respite and they can go back to leading their somewhat normal pre-COVID lives, they've been thrust into that again.
Yeah.
And as many as
The
sad
only
stories-
gratification little bit is there that most of them have been vaccinated. Like,
yeah, no, that's
doctors
great.
and
But the
stuff,
thing
yeah.
is, it's very heartening to see that in amidst all the sad and the depressing stuff that is actually happening there is also stories of people doing extraordinary work. I was following this organization that has organized what do you call it, oxygen cylinders. There are people who've started home kitchens. These guys are not chefs or anything, but just for their specific area, they've started tiffin services out of
Yeah.
nothing. Just so that they can do their bit to help. That's another thing a lot of people must be feeling. It's this weird helplessness. When you read all of these things, you want to do something to contribute to help. Some people are helping amplify. Some people are actually on the ground working. But one thing I actually realized is that I think help, like you say, right? Charity begins at home, right? I'm not saying charity, but like if you help people at least immediately around you, your domestic help, your staff. If they are not feeling well for one day and then they don't come, don't lose your shit. You know what I mean? Like
That is just basic humanity.
no, because dude, right? That's what is happening right now because they're still allowed to come work. They are still going to 5 different houses, man, and
Yeah.
and coming to your house. So
And walking
um,
through a street in the middle.
correct.
Yeah.
So make sure you do your bit to help them. Do your bit to help the watchman in your building. Whether it's food or anything of that sort. So you can still help people and do something actionable. Do it around you.
Yeah, and listen,
For starters.
if you're a doctor
And
or
if you
healthcare
can't, it's
worker,
fine. And if you can't,
Exactly.
it's
oh
fine.
my god,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah. No, but it's very important to say that because a lot of people feel that नहीं मुझे करना ही है नहीं तू कर सकता है तो कर नहीं कर सकता है या नहीं कर सकती है तो मत कर it's fine.
Yeah.
Which is why it's important to know that we're all in this together, right? We're all facing the same thing in some or the other way, and or we can just continue to be positive and then go ahead with this because there is nothing much, there's not much else we can do, than this.
You know what I found really interesting is that Thakur, you were saying when you began this podcast, you were saying that I felt like I wasn't doing enough, and you had COVID. Tu patient hai. Like, it's like it's such a bizarre thing where tu ghar pe बैठ के you're ill, you've got fever, and you're still like नहीं मेरे को कुछ करना है.
Hmm.
Like we should talk about this a little bit. Like this.
Bro, it took me the virus to actually put some content out. For the longest time, my manager is complaining, "Arey, tu thoda content dal, reel bana, ye bana, wo bana." I actually had to get COVID to be able to then make videos. Thoda engagement बढ़ गया.
Not worth it.
Wiki COVID video डाल के
Not worth
आगे
it.
सब करे. Dude, the whole time when I was fine, I didn't do anything. I got COVID. वो दिन बैठ के 3 video बना दिया. So,
But we should talk about this boredom that you're going to experience now that the lockdown is back.
yeah.
And I don't think we've covered this in any of the previous things before, right? Like, how do you keep your mind engaged? Like, and obviously, this is not to say that you have to be under the pressure of learning French or cooking a fucking
Or suddenly
pasta
learning
or
how to
something.
pay the hand pan and you're like, यार मेरे को सीखना
Yeah.
था हमेशा.
Yeah, this is not that. This is just about dealing with repetition and boredom and monotony, because it does set in, man. Every day, like I remember peak lockdown, every day used to blend into the next one,
Yeah.
right? And how do you keep your mind occupied? Like, what do you guys do?
Wait for it to be 7:30 so I can watch IPL. Thank fuck, bro. Thank fuck, I'm not even kidding. At least last year जब lockdown हुआ था वो time पे IPL नहीं था. ठीक है, it's those 1.5 2 months in a year where I just tune off क्योंकि मालूम है रोज कुछ ना कुछ है करने के लिए. कोई तो खेल रहा ही है. कुछ तो है. And that's literally what's been happening ever since it started this year. It started right before I got right after I got COVID actually. So I was just sleeping, waking up, IPL देख रहा है, सो रहा है, उठ रहा है, highlights देख रहा है, Dream 11 खेल रहा है. Because काम नहीं हो रहा है.
मैंने ये tweet किया था when this IPL started. I was like, just play the IPL 24/7 until the cases go down.
हाँ.
क्योंकि पब्लिक
सच.
घर पे बैठता है जब मैच
सच.
है. Like,
हाँ.
just
और अगर क्लोज मैच हुआ तो और मजा आता है.
और
तो,
मस्त.
but yeah, I mean,
every game.
I think it's a good. There is good downtime that you get right now to do a lot of things. When I'm saying again, like not learning French, etc. But बैठ के टाइम पास कर यार. घर पे वीडियो गेम खेल रहा है, वीडियो गेम खेल, टीवी देख रहा है, टीवी देख, जो करना है कर. The thing is because there are many days that seem the same. The time goes fast and slow at the same time. Right? When you're living through it, experiencing it, you feel अरे यार shit, आज भी और 10 घंटा बाकी है, आज दिन में बोर हुआ, कुछ किया नहीं. And before you know it, oh, June. अरे अभी
It's June.
5 मिनट पहले Jan 14 था, अभी June 10th कैसा है? So it's this weird conundrum that you're always going to be in, and you just have to live through it. There is that's all you can do.
You know, something that I've started doing, and I think this has helped me a lot and highly recommend it. And a lot of people used to tell me to do this and I didn't listen, but now I have heard it.
Hmm.
I have started working out at home.
Oh wow.
So 6 महीना में six pack.
Arey, must.
If this podcast reaches 1,000 comments, I will give you.
We'll put Kautuk's picture in briefs on a hoarding. Make it happen, guys. 1000 नहीं, थोड़ा ज्यादा कमेंट चाहिए. कौतुक तो 1000 कमेंट में बिक गया.
Yeah, dude. I set the bar too high.
Guys, कितना 1000 3000 comments.
3,000.
3000 comments in this video, and
And-
we'll put a topless picture of Kautuk after he has done his workout
Yeah, full with abs.
with abs.
So, no man, like I'm not doing it to
Guys,
get
it's
abs.
supposed to be a you're supposed to bribe them you have to give them a good thing at the end of this.
Why? What makes you think
Hey,
people
man.
don't want to see topless Kautuk with abs? Baba,
Yeah, please comment with hashtag topless Kautuk.
topless
Um,
Kautuk.
Oh shit.
Have
so
you
these-
seen Parthiv Patel without a t-shirt?
Topless Kautuk OP, bro, 100%. ये तो चाहिए.
Dude, you know something? Siddhi is asleep right now, and when she wakes up
She-
tomorrow and sees 3,000 comments saying hashtag topless Kautuk.
Topless Kautuk. Guys,
तो-
see, you got something fun to do. अगर तुम घर पे बैठ के बोर हो रहे हो, तुम्हारे पास कुछ करने के लिए नहीं है, वर्क फ्रॉम होम पक रहा है, तो इस पॉडकास्ट पे आओ और हैशटैग टॉपलेस कौतुक डालो.
Dude, पहला चीज
3000
to
होने
get
के
rid
बाद
of.
अगर Bro, I don't think you'll ever be able to get rid of that because it's stuck to the glass. It's a part of the glass now.
Yeah.
ठीक है, वो हो रहा है तेरे साथ.
No, but
Um,
like this working out from home thing, like go find, there are lots of like simple exercises online. Go find it in case you haven't already
There's one
started
called Business
lifting the
Insider
sofa.
7-minute workout from home. Guys,
हाँ.
just do that. वो करो और एक दूसरे को फोन करो. ऐसा तुम लोग
Good.
हाफ हो गए बात करते करते 7 मिनट.
क्या
7 मिनट
मस्त.
के वर्कआउट में.
Like you feel good, your day.
But Kautuk, remember I was telling you, I said one of the reasons why I feel that I also got away, not unscathed, but with lesser impacts of COVID is because मैं होने के पहले लास्ट 3 महीने से वर्कआउट कर रहा है ब्रो.
Yeah.
क्लीन खाना खा रहा है, कचरा पट्टी बंद कर दिया खाना. You know, I was going to the gym regularly, and I think that's really helped with my immunity as well. So please don't underestimate.
But तेरे को हुआ तो जिम से ही है.
हाँ? अबे जिम में भी किसी को नहीं हुआ है ब्रो. पता नहीं क्या. और मैं बहुत केयरफुल, मैं जिम में अंदर नहीं करता, मैं बाहर करता.
So-
टेरेस वाले इसमें एरिया में खुले में.
Also, one thing that's helped me in some way is that is to have just a bunch of tasks that I want to do in the
And
day.
then not do them.
No, chores
Yeah.
are a great thing to do.
Yeah, no, and exactly like
ब्रो
the tasks
भांडे
that-
घासने में एक घंटा कैसे निकल जाता है मालूम
No,
ही नहीं
it's not
पड़ता.
about that. It's also like it gives you a great marker of time.
Oh, marker of time. Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
So I think that's
How
what's
marker of
important.
time?
Because
I'm
you'll
literally
figure
doing it to kill time, and also because the minute
no
you
marker
clean
of time. I
बर्तन
think
ना,
you'll do it.
तो खुद को क्लीन लगता है ब्रो.
You'll
उस
do
दिन
it
है ना,
in the evening.
उस दिन
ना.
निकिता बोल रही थी यार वी नीड, हम लोगों ने देख पोचे को अपन हमेशा स्टेप ब्रदर जैसे ट्रीट करते हैं, स्टेप चाइल्ड. नहीं, झाड़ू रोज करना है, पोछा हर 4 दिन में एक बार कर सकते हैं वैसे. तो हम लोग 4-5 दिन पोछा नहीं किया था, लेकिन झाड़ू क्या डाइसन रोज मार रहे. ठीक है, तो क्लीन है वैसे घर. उसने बोला पोछा करना है, बोला चल ठीक है हो जाए. तो मैंने उस दिन बर्तन किया और फिर पोछा किया. ब्रो आई एम नॉट किडिंग, जस्ट दैट स्मेल ऑफ
Phenyl.
फ्रॉम द
पसीने से ना.
फिनाइल. वाओ ब्रो, मेरे को ऐसा लगा मैं नहाया है 3 घंटे के लिए,
Oh,
और मैं नहाया
तो
नहीं
तू
था.
पसीने से लथपथ था.
हाँ ब्रो, लेकिन इतना क्लीन लग रहा था. तो प्लीज टेक दिस टाइम और क्लीन करो. क्लीन दैट कबर्ड दैट यू बीन मीनिंग टू क्लीन फॉर 8 years. Get rid of the dead body from behind along with that striped shirt that you're never going to wear. Do that. This is the time.
Dude, also like one thing that I mean, this I had a habit from before the pandemic, but I can sense the difference that it's made in the pandemic. Like, which is just calling my parents. I do it once every day. Okay, and just that, like, it takes 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but man, I can sense, like, for me, I am extremely anxious about them because they have comorbidities, and it's a time like this that makes you really think of all the times that you've taken them for granted. And not just them, but like people around you, you know. Like, dude, there's a friend of mine जिसका शादी 4 बार postpone हुआ है, 4 बार. ठीक है, और अभी भी होने वाला है.
You should get the hint.
It's
He must be telling God, if you think I shouldn't go with this, give me a sign. And then God gives him a sign. And he's like, नहीं मेरे को समझा नहीं. God, should I do it? Give me a sign. अच्छा, ये ले एक और. God, should I? फिर भगवान मेरा चूतिया 4 बार दिया तेरे को चांस. अभी तू कर.
कितना
तेरी
लॉकडाउन
शादी-
करूं यार.
अभी तेरी शादी होके रहेगी.
So yeah, so I mean he's but like just being in touch with these people, being in touch with your friends, being in touch with
Yeah.
your parents, your family, man, world
Guys,
of
play some
difference.
board games. Get sequence. ठीक है. I have an
Settlers of
addict at
Catan,
home.
dude.
I have an
Settlers
addict at
of
home.
Catan.
Nikita. वो सीक्वेंस अकेले
Yeah.
भी खेलेगी. वो फोन पे सीक्वेंस खेल रही है ब्रो. इतना पागल है वो.
Settlers of Catan. Settlers of Catan.
सेटलर्स ऑफ कटान खेलो, सीक्वेंस खेलो, स्क्रैबल खेलो, टाइम पास करो, मजे करो, खुश रहो, दूसरों को
मजा
भी
नहीं
खुश
life.
रखो. हाँ, चिल करो. So anyway, I think just to wrap it up, because it's, as you can see in Kautuk's
Happy birthday.
watch, it's 12:15. It's my birthday. My fiance is waiting here for the last 15 minutes with a cake. So before
Damn.
the candle melts on the cake, I'm going to go.
Shit,
But
यार 2 बर्थडे हो गया तेरा.
तू देख अभी एक बार सब हो जाने दे, सब वैक्सीनेट. ये वो मैं पूरा 2 साल का बदला लूंगा. 2 साल में वो घर पे बिठा के रखा है मेरे बर्थडे के लिए. ऐसा अभी दिखा तो तुझे.
But
Yeah.
क्या करने वाला है तू कल?
क्या
plans?
करूंगा मैं? थोड़े बियर ला के रखे. फर्स्ट आई डोंट नो इफ आई कैन ड्रिंक. और कल मुंबई इंडियंस का मैच है. होपफुली उन लोग जीतेंगे. लेकिन बहुत केक खाऊंगा, पिज्जा खाऊंगा. मस्त प्लान है बहुत सारे जो मैं और maybe what are we doing tomorrow? Tonight, not tonight. What? Okay.
So yeah, so
तेरे को
just to
बहुत गाली पड़ने वाला है.
just to kind of like bring it to a conclusion, like this is a thing that we wanted to talk about, and I'm pretty sure like whatever happens going forward, like cases rise, fall, whatever it is, we'll
Yeah, we are
depending on-
going to come back with regular programming next Tuesday onwards. I think this was needed to be said, just talked about.
Yeah.
And we're going to come right back with a lot more random, interesting, funny, weird, absurd shocks.
shocks.
Random, weird.
Third
We're going to
lockdown
come back
confirmed.
with a lot more random, interesting, funny, weird, absurd facts, stats, trivia, and our personal stories next week onwards. This was just to tell all you guys that we are all in this together. Stay strong, be happy, be positive, and we're going to get
Hang
through
in there.
this. Just
अपन
like
इधर ही चे guys.
we always
Yes.
do.
अपन इधर ही
Yeah,
चे.
and we'll be back with more fun podcast next Tuesday onwards to hopefully keep you guys distracted and happy in this second wave. Shit यार, second
Correct.
wave. मेरे को तो लगा अपन ने
First
wave कर
wave.
दिया था. Bye.
First wave, second wave.
Second wave. और फिर third wave.
Yuck.
Okay, that's it
On
from this
that note-
episode of
Bye, guys.
The Internet Said So. See you guys next week. मैं जा रहा हूँ केक काटने.
या केक तेरे
एक्चुअली
पास
केक
है.
आ रहा है. सॉरी, केक आ रहा है.
Oh, I can't wait to see
Happy
this.
birthday
Oh
to
जवार
my
के.
me.
god.
शाबाश
Happy
शाबाश.
birthday
वो आरती क्या उतर रहा है केक के साथ?
to me. Happy birthday.
जया बच्चन चल.
ऐसे नहीं काटते केक को.
Okay, bye. Enjoy.
See you guys.
Bye, guys.
क्या अबे ये कैंडल बंद ही नहीं हो.
वाओ, गया तेरा एक और साल गया dude, लॉकडाउन के अंदर.
हाँ, okay, bye.
अरे ये कैंडल
Oh,
जल गई
wow,
वापस.
Wow, dude.
ये
That is
करण
a
सिंह ने
magic
भेजी है
trick.
कैंडल. What is this? This is a magic trick candle.
I can't. Oh,
क्या भारी hot open है.
dude.
Fuck, I can go on all day. Guys, if y'all are wondering what to do in this pandemic, buy this candle.
You know what this is, by the
And
way?
you can do-
That was the first wave. Here's the second wave. Here's the second wave.
Okay, stop.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
चल, see you boys.
Third wave.
ये कैंडल बंद ही नहीं होता है.
Podcast बंद होता है लेकिन.